How to set up a new carton on your Langen machine. First thing you want to do is set up a new program. Is go to FCN, which is function 3, enter, and you're going to choose the new program number. We're going to go to program 4, enter, and then we'll hit our POS button, and we're on program 4. We're going to be setting up channels 92, 8, and 9. Channel 92 is an eye that detects the carton. Channel 8 and channel 9 are the channels that control the glue pattern. So after you have set up a carton in your machine, you want to turn your glue switch on. The glue switch activates the eye that will pick up the carton, and it'll let the PLS know that there is a carton there and you're able to shoot glue on it. So you want to jog it down. Here is our eye. We want the eye just to detect the front leading edge of this carton here. And the way we can do that is I'll watch the back of the eye controller, and when it lights up, I know that the eye is just picking up the box. That's right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a window. Instead of the box just always picking it up at that position, which that position is 28 degrees, instead of always having to pick it up at 28 degrees, we're going to make a window, an 80-degree window, so it could pick it up in anywhere in that 80 degrees. So if we have 28 degrees, we're going to round that off to 30. So we're going to go 40 degrees on either side of that 30 degrees, which will be 350 and 70. So we're going to want our window to be 350 to 70. So we're going to go channel 92, enter, and we hit our view button, and there's nothing in there. So we want to go on at 350, enter, off at 70, enter, and then we hit our right view. Comes on at 350, goes off at 70. We now have a window of 80 degrees for that box to be seen by that eye. Now we're going to go and check and see where the glue should start. So now you want to jog your box down until it gets in front of the glue gun where you think the glue should start gluing. And that's about right where we want to look. Go back to our PLS. We hit our RPM POS button, and we're at 156. So I'm going to write down the 156. That's my on. Then we'll go back, jog the box down to where I think it should stop. That looks about right. And I read that number. That's 341. So I want my glue to start at 156 and stop at 341. So both my glue guns are directly across from each other. Channel 8 is the hand load side of the machine. Channel 9 is the adjustment side of the machine. So I'm going to go channel 8, enter. I hit my view. I have nothing in there. So I want my glue to start. So I go on at 156, enter, off 341, enter, hit my right view to make sure it took, on at 156, off at 341. Now because my glue guns are directly opposed from each other, I can go to channel 9, enter, and put in the exact same numbers. So I'm going to go on 156, enter, off 341, enter, hit my view, 156, 341. Now I want to put another box in. I'll run it down past the glue guns, let it shoot glue, pull the box apart, and check my glue pattern. If I need to adjust my glue pattern to make it longer or shorter, I just come back in here, hit which channel I want, and I either extend my glue or shorten the glue.